Sonam Saab, we would like to involve our channel partner, our dear friend, Mr. Mohit Hajela, who is the business head from Jaguar. Jaguar is an Indian multinational company, and we are so proud of Jaguar. They've been supporting all our causes at IIA and elsewhere also. Mr. Mohit, my question to you would be, how is Jaguar Group as a market leader, an Indian market leader in the world now, shouldering the responsibility of green and sustainable solutions, both at the product level, at the corporate facilities level, and at the manufacturing level?
Go Green is a long-standing philosophy embraced by the Jaquar Group as a tenet of its design and production system. We lead the industry in sustainable production with systems installed for energy efficiency, water use efficiency, rainwater conservation, water cycling, and energy generation. When it comes to our products, the technology we use, like flow restrictors and dual flushes, and a range of air showers, prismatic and sensor faucets, helps in reducing water consumption up to 80% of water without compromising on the flow. But when it comes to corporate facilities, when our designers, Gayatri and Amit, asked for 10 acres, we gave them 12 acres. And believe me, when you infuse trust into your designers, the outcome is for the world to see. Our global headquarters at Manesar has optimized their lighting big time. We use radiant cooling system that has brought down air conditioning loads by more than 40%, and an in-house solar plant that generates over 6.25 megawatts of energy. So what we use, we consume. The rest goes back to the national grid. Believe me, 100% of the water used by the building is recycled by high efficiency treatment plants and is used for irrigation, largely horticulture. The design is done in such a way that whatever is the treated water that is left, it can be used in cooling towers for makeup purpose. Further, we have come out with installed a waste to energy plant in the factory, and the size of the equipment accommodates food waste from the headquarters. It's sent twice a week to the factory, and the cooking gas is produced from it, from which we use for cooking food for the workers. Entire STP waste from the office is converted into manure and is used into landscaping area of global headquarters. So even all these multiple things that we talk about makes this premise a net zero building, rather a net plus building, and registered with the USGBC under its CI category. And lastly, when we talk about manufacturing, we have a zero liquid discharge manufacturing setup with various in-house water and waste treatment systems, including STPs, ETPs, and multi-effect vapor systems. Our advanced wastewater treatment and purification system that a manufacturing unit has, it adheres to the highest environmental standards. Believe me, there's so much of focus on recycling that all the brass that is cut off is being recycled and reused. And we are using almost about 4,221 metric tons of brass every year. And 100% of the water that we use in a building is being recycled in our in-house sewage treatment plants. And you'll be surprised at the number. We in fact recycle over 500,000 liters of water every day. And a chrome recovery plant recovers as much as 8 metric tons of chrome salt annually. So I think it is all these combinations that we are doing at our global headquarters and at our multiple manufacturing facilities across the country has got us the LEED Platinum certification, and something which very few can boast of. So I think we take a lot of pride in being a homegrown Indian multinational, operational into 51 countries and growing.
Jiten bhai, a very good idea just came up. If Sonam ji is also there and Jaguar business head is also there, one is preacher for the vernacular wisdom and one is the epitome of modern technology. So can we think? I request Mohit ji, can we have some combination, some synergy with SecMol, the Jaguar technology and and Sekmol's vernacular wisdom, can we have an Indian synergy? Can we think of taking this further, maybe outcome of this discussion, sharing this platform with learned Sonam Saab? Can we have this opportunity of Jaguar tying up with Sekmol in the future? What do you say?
Why not? I think it's an honor for all of us to be associated with Mr. Sonam Wangchuk. What he's doing, what he's driving for the nation, I think is the inspiration for us as innovators into design solution, and the kind of how he's going into localization. I think that's where I think it's very important that we try to keep our Indian sensibilities alive and
Yeah.
take pride. I mean, so rightly, so aptly put by Mr. Sonam Wangchuk that it's about how we are able to use a local material, a local resources. And needless to say, I would also take the opportunity to compliment our own designers. With all due respect, we work with all international designers, but I'm truly appreciative that the kind of intervention that our own Indian designers have been doing, the kind of intervention, the kind of design solutions that our own Indian designers have been delivering, I think it is absolutely unmatched. And the last 2 day session that we have had with such creative and structural minds in the industry, thanks to Indian Institute of Architects and being powered with FOIT, I think it's been a very, very, very high-end knowledge session that has been talking about. I think all your themes in for Transcend are very inspiring. And with Mr. Wangchuk, we would love to seek an opportunity, and maybe we can use more of his guidance at how we can look at more or retrofit a solution, because Jaquar is working big time into sensor and sensibilities. So I mean, any scope wherein we can partner with you, sir. We can learn from you. I think shall be an honor and privilege.
Thank you so much, Mohit Bhai. Thank you so much, and I will like to take this further. IIA, Indian Institute of Architects, will definitely be also there for any assistance which is required uh, from SecMol. We, as architects, 20,000 architects, are member of Indian Institute of Architects, and with the vision which has been laid by today in your presentation, probably we will be very happy if we can be of any type of assistance required anytime soon, sir. Please let us know. And taking this further, sir, Ganadhar, would you like to?
Yes. So as Jiten Bhai very clearly said, Sonam Saab, IIA would like to lend our support. We assure you from the Indian Institute of Architects side that we are just a phone call away, and we are so proud of you, and you are inspiration to all the generations of architects in India, and we look up to you, and we'll be there to work with you in any time in future. Also, as our corporate partners are also agreeing. So this is all because of the charisma you have, and the wonderful and the inspirational work you have done. So from the IA NatCon team 2020, we are thankful for this wonderful opportunity to have you had in this particular session, and you shared your invaluable insights with us, with this brilliant audience. It was one of the most exciting session and interaction I had in last few months. I once again express my gratitude to Mr. Wangchuk being with us and giving us your precious time. So thank you, Wangchuk Saab. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Wangchuk, your mic is on mute.
Some mic. Yeah.
I was spellbound.
Thank you.
And to thank someone more also, sir, I would like to thank architect Sanjay Prakash from Delhi, your very dear friend, and probably it was he who connected Indian Institute of Architects with you. And I wish to use this platform to thank architect Sanjay Prakash. I'm sure he must be watching this thing. Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you for all the help. And anytime, sir, I is there to assist you for any of your questions.
Definitely. Facilitated. And now I have 2,000 more of you look at how we can bring the original Indian concept into architectural institutes, like I said, there could be something to be done with your institute to introduce that uh, for India. Similarly, nowadays, we are also asked by the defense forces to solar robots for massive buildings. And the companies are huge. They want some 10,000 buildings in the next 10 years or so. So we could collaborate with Jaguar on rocket systems that are specifically for cold water. Second one is so important to R&D to conserve at least waterless toilet, for example, where the waste is turned into the without using water where you really need, not like finish with 5 liters where you have not enough to drink. So such there are many R&D possibilities of extracting clean water out of your waste treatment, how all such things we can collaborate and push forward to really contribute in the country.
Definitely, sir. We will be there for all such movements. We will be there. And
Thank you.
thank you,
Thank you,
Mohit.
sir.
Thank you for all the
Thank
help.
you.
Thank you. Yes, Kavya, back to you.
Thank you so much. A session filled with so much of vision, so much of warmth, and so much of inspiration. Thank you so much, Mr. Sonam sir. Thank you once again. And thank you very much, Mr. Mohit, for joining us as well. As I request you to just hold on for exactly a minute, we'd also like to share across the certificate here on behalf of IIA as a token of our gratitude to thank you for your valuable presence. So we